anime, cartoons, video games, and more. Kitchen Princess is about to begin. Hey, how's it going? It's Cali here, and welcome to my kitchen. In this segment, I'll be showing you how to make food shown in anime. On today's menu, we have a very simple breakfast that makes me hungry every time I see it. And it is bacon and eggs from Howl's Moving Castle. And I know it's just not me, but all the food in this film looks so good. And thankfully, there's not much to it, which makes it very simple to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with the ingredients. You'll need 6 eggs and 3 slices of that thick cut bacon. But before we start making anything in the kitchen, as always, we need to wash those hands. Your food should not be tasting like what your hands have been. You nasties, you nasties. First, bring out a skillet. I'm using a cast iron, and place your calcifer on low to medium heat. Then add in 3 slices of the 3 little pigs alternate ending into your pan and let it cook on both sides for a couple of minutes. Also, please don't be like me when cooking this bacon. Use your stage, aka the whole dang skillet, and then just push it to the side later. While the other side of the bacon is cooking, now that all this bacon grease has covered the skillet, add in 6 of your finest hen fruit into the frying pan and cook them until we start to see a lovely brown crust around the edges. However, if you find that the hen fruit rims are cooking too quickly and the whites are not keeping up as you desire, turn off the heat and cover the skillet and wait for about a minute or 2, and then you'll have, ta-da! Wonderfully cooked sunny side up eggs and bacon. I mean, I don't even know how one could even ruin this dish, cause let's say that Calcifer's curse falls upon you for some odd reason. Your food is still going to taste great, because I mean, it's bacon. It's just gonna cover up all the mistakes. I mean, I don't make the rules here. I just do the dish and then it comes out as is. But don't take my word for it. Let's see what my siblings think. Okay everyone, so today I have made some Howl's Moving Castle bacon and eggs. So tell me what you think.
It's juicy bacon.
It smells really good, honestly.
And it's really thick too, so I bet it's gonna taste really good.
Oh, lots of good bacon. Oh, another good egg too. It's kind of fluffy.
Super fluffy, but I didn't try it.
And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. As always, if there are any other dishes that you would like me to try, please let me know in the comment section below and I can see if I can do them. And stay tuned for more dishes coming your way. And hey, if you like this video, please let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. And that's it for me. Thank you again for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope the rest of your day is spectacular. Until next time!